Good morning, Morgan. Good morning to any of your friends that have joined us today to watch this video. And today's video is going to be even shorter than the last one we did. But it's going to lay the foundations for the next bit of information that we're going to be focusing on, which is going to be dealing with the error codes that you're going to come across as you program, because this is the feedback that you're going to need to fix your problems or bugs or whatever in your code. Okay, so the better you get at understanding these error messages and what they mean, the better you're going to be at identifying and solving coding problems that you have in your code. All right? And the best way is just to be exposed to these error messages. But before you start being exposed to these error messages, we need to talk about them and what type of information is in them and what are the more common errors you're going to see. And so the next 7 or 8 videos are going to be on this. Okay? And I know it's going to be a little boring, but this is very important. One of the most important subjects as a programmer you're going to need, because I cannot overemphasize this. Solving bugs, debugging programs is going to be very important to your career as a programmer. And with that said, let's go ahead and get the reading started.
Python Training Video 48. Syntax Errors.
Oh, by the way, this is all there is going to be to this video. There's really no need to create any sort of code for it. So we're just going to read this and be done.
Until now, error messages haven't been more than mentioned, but if you have tried out the examples, you have probably seen some. There are, at least, 2 distinguishable kinds of errors: syntax errors and exceptions. Syntax errors, also known as parsing errors, are perhaps the most common kind of complaint you get while you are still learning Python. While true print, hello world. File, stin, line 1.
All right, what did it not like? Didn't like the print, huh? Let's see, let's keep reading.
The parser repeats the offending line and displays a little arrow pointing at the earliest point in the line where the error was detected. The error is caused by, or at least detected at, the token preceding the arrow. In the example, the error is detected at the function print, since a colon is missing before it. File name and line number are printed so you know where to look in case the input came from a script.
Okay, so this is kind of interesting. All right, so at first you think it's the print statement, but it's not. It's because it's freaking missing this. Bunk there. That's the problem. See how sneaky this stuff is? All right, but there you go. So I'll put that back. So just because the error is here on the print statement doesn't mean that the problem necessarily is with the print statement. It could be, but in this case, it's the true statement because it didn't have the little freaking colon behind it. All right? So it screwed up the whole freaking loop statement. Yeah. All right. So that's it. That's all we've got for today. So yeah, go out, get in the sun, go play, and try not to cause too much trouble in the neighborhood. All right. See you in the next video.